perspective was developed by Filippo Brunelleschi in 1425 as a means of representing three-dimensional space on a two-dimensional surface. He knew that our eyes saw things differently than what we knew them to be. These railroad tracks are parallel, we know that, but our eye perceives it to converge towards the distance. The ancient Romans had tried to do this, but they more or less eyeballed it without lines properly converging at the same point. In Florence, Brunelleschi was inspired by the baptistry of St. John, where he noticed the way that the lines converged at different points. Single point perspective consists of a horizon line, a vanishing point, and orthogonals. In this image, you can see two-point perspective with a horizon line across the middle and a vanishing point at the left and the right. In this example of single point perspective, we can see the vanishing point is along the horizon right in the middle of the dome with the two arches on either side. All of the lines converge towards that. In this image, we'll find where the vanishing point is. Is the vanishing point at the face of Jesus? The figure on the cross? Is it at his feet? Or is it at the bottom where the skeleton is? We can test this out by drawing lines through our orthogonals to see where all the lines converge. We can see that the vanishing point is right. Okay, now let's make our own drawing in linear perspective. First, we're going to start with our horizontal line, known as the horizon, and then give it a vanishing point. Now we'll change color and we'll make some buildings. And let's put one in the foreground. Okay. And all of these lines are going to converge towards the vanishing point. And let's stop our lines. Oh, there's one right there too. Let's stop our lines so that the buildings aren't going on into infinity. And now we can start to erase all the extra orthogonals that we don't need. And it looks like I need to finish this off with another horizontal line. Right about there. Now, anytime you're going to have a window, we would need to do the same thing. Have our horizontals, and then the top and the bottom of the window have to line up with this vanishing point from the middle. And now we have a very small cityscape in perspective. And we can even make a little road that this building sits right in the middle of. That's convenient. Maybe now we can turn it into something else. We can make it a truck. Okay, very good. To conclude, let's review. Which of the terms below are three-point perspective elements? Horizon, the orthogonals, and the vanishing point. I hope you learned a little bit about linear perspective today.